In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now you need to hit All Services, scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager, tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. When you finished, to add your password, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!